A follow-up now to a story we first told you about yesterday when the media was shut out from a Suffolk courtroom.
Banned from hearing testimony in a case involving Delegate Rick Morris. 10 on your side's Andy Fox went to Suffolk to find out how folks there were feeling about it. He's back now and joins us live from the newsroom. Andy.
Lauren, Stephanie, it didn't take long to find people familiar with Delegate Rick Morris's case. The media and attorneys concerned about exclusion from a court hearing involving an elected public official. And there is now an order outlining an appeal to the circuit court. When State Delegate Rick Morris arrived at court Thursday to fight felony and misdemeanor charges against him, he refused to allow Wavy TV and 4 newspapers in the courtroom. Shortly before the hearing, juvenile domestic relations judge Robert Brubaker ordered the media is hereby prohibited from being present in and from providing coverage of today's hearing and proceedings. Suffolk resident Audrey Patton surprised media was banned, and since Delegate Morris is an elected public official, she thinks transparency is needed.
How do I know whether I want to vote for him again if I don't know what kind of character he has?
Judge Brubaker's order banning the media will be appealed to circuit court. They will be finding fault with the judge's decision and will submit state code that proceedings in juvenile court involving adult defendants charged with a crime like Delegate Morris are to be open. In the appeal, the Daily Press contends Judge Brubaker had less restrictive alternatives than full closure were available, such as restricting or avoiding the use of the names of any juveniles and or closing some parts of some testimony of a highly sensitive nature rather than closing the entire proceeding. Suffolk resident Floyd Brantley.
You should be able to go in there and listen, but they dropped nearly all the charges.
6 felonies dropped and 7 misdemeanors in all process. Only 1 felony is going forward, but the media not there to explain what the flawed evidence really is. For Patton, not sure if she really sides with Delegate Morris.
I didn't feel like I knew enough about it to really pass complete judgment. So if you had been in there and could have reported it all, it would have been very informative.
The attorney representing the Daily Press on behalf of all media, Johan Conrad, told me he's appealing but can't change what has already happened, but says we can get access to the court transcript and try to avoid this from happening again. We want to ensure the media has full access in the future to all hearings in this case, including the lone felony charge that still exists. In the newsroom, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.